Hello everyone. The Sports Spot is back with the India versus England series. And today I have with me Utsav Anand, Akash Singh, and Heinz. We'll be sharing the preview or as well as the review of the first test match. So, we all know what the result of the first test match has been. India has lost very badly, and England ticked all the boxes, and they have shown that what character you need to win in India. So, what do you have to say about the win? Like, how do you rate England's performance?
Hi Abhishek. For me, it's a 10 out of 10 performance. Like coming into this match and with huge expectations and with World Test Series, Championship final, like Championship on stake, they performed the way they should have, and not many were expecting. Many Indians were very confident that India will, like what you say, scroll through these matches, but it didn't happen that way. They have Joe Root, so he was there. He scored 200 odd runs and he played a captain's knock as well. So England were what you say starting from the first day till the end. They were like the entire like totally dominant team. You
Dominating,
cannot
yeah.
say that like India were this like India had this good session and that bad session. Overall, in overall terms, England deserved the victory. And all in all, like what you say, it was a what you say an unexpected result, but still like well deserved England side.
Yes, definitely they dominated in the whole test. Coming over to you, Heinz, like, what do you have to say about the pitch? Like a flat
Uh,
pitch, them betting for 2 days and then hitting for 500 runs. So what do you have to say?
People like the before there was when the inspection was done of the pitch. I think everyone said that after third day the pitch will crack open when there will be uneven bounce or even the ball will stay low. I think so. When you saw Virat Kohli's wicket was the best example where the Ben Stokes ball fell low. But yeah, of course England played definitely well. But I think so after winning the toss, that was one of the key advantages which England had. But still, and they beautifully executed it. Uh, the bowling also was perfectly bowled in the right length, and especially Jack Leach in the second innings after getting for many runs in the first innings itself. I think so he made a very good comeback.
Yes, yes, definitely. And seeing the Indian batting, I won't say a collapse, but the weakness is where if we get good starts, then the middle order is not able to continue it. If the middle order fails, then we are backing our tail like Washington, Sundar, and everyone. So, Akash, what do you have to say about India's batting performance in the test match?
Firstly, the toss was very crucial. Uh, batting second is not acceptable on those pitches. The It was a flat track. The England really batted sensibly, not played any rash shots, but no, it was very difficult for the Indian batsmen to bat on those pitches where the cracks were opening up a bit. So Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, the Ajinkya Rahane and Virat Kohli, they added around 47 runs in the first innings. So that was a crucial point. But Rishabh Pant, Washington Sundar, Pujara showed great composure. Sticking onto that wicket where the ball was turning a bit, there was a puff of dust coming out of the wicket. Um, and In the second innings as well, Virat Kohli, I'm very happy that Virat Kohli returned back to the form. Shubman Gill also showed very good confidence, even if there was a huge total to reach target, 420 runs of target on the fifth day. It was not very easy, uh, but then the Ajinkya Rahane's form is also a bit worries for the Indian team after the Sydney Heroics. Didn't perform well, and uh, rest Washington Sundar also is a very good all-rounder. He's turning out to be a very good all-rounder for the Indian team. So yeah, not so bad performance by the Indian team.
Yeah. There are some boxes that we need to take, just like England showed a 10 on 10 performance. And we all know the Indian team knows how to come back. They did it in the Australian series as well. They lost the first test match and then they came back. So, like moving onwards from the first test match, coming to the second test match, uh, Joe Root's form. I mean, he's continued that from Sri Lanka and he's brought that form to India. In the first innings itself, he's hit a 200. So, going towards the second test match, how much key is it to get his wicket early on, Utsav?
Yes, definitely. Like he had a great series against Sri Lanka where he scored like 426 runs in two test matches, where he also scored a double century. And he also became the first player to score a double century on his 100 test match in his 100 test match. So
Yeah,
that's a big achievement, and he'll be very confident going into the second test match. The way it's not like his individual performance, like the whole team clicked together, stayed together, and they performed pretty well. And he must be very confident, like going into the second test match. Plus, like Joe Root is in form, and plus they have an opener named Sibley, who's like showed a great composure coming into the match and like facing Indian spinners in the initial 2 days, and like he played around 200 odd deliveries for his 80, 90 odd runs in the first innings. That was very crucial part. Plus, like the 30s and 40s by their counterparts as well, the tail enders as well. So overall, like England are what you say very confident, and they will be very, very what you say optimistic of winning the second test match and like putting more pressure on Indian cricket team.
yes, yes. They would be feeling, they would be having a strong feeling going into the second test match because amassing 500 runs on Indian pitches, it's not easy to score those many runs. So they'll definitely be confident. And the second test match being at Chennai itself, like there is no change in the venue, so the pitch will be the same. So, what do you think, Heinz? How will the pitch be different from the first test match? Will there be more turn? Will there be more swing and bounce? Or it will be the same like it was in the first test match?
Looking at this first test, if suppose the curator sets the same pitch again, I think again the toss comes into play quite well. Whoever wins the toss, bat first and pile up as many runs as you want, because as you saw, England made the most of it. Uh, yes, day three, day four, there was quite a bounce and turn. So I think again the spinners will be crucial on how they perform. But then the X factor, I think and James Anderson, who was quite good in reverse swinging the ball on the pitches like these. He was quite useful with those old balls. So I think that is something where India is lacking. I feel. I mean, if they start doing this good work with the old ball, I think even they can open up this England batting lineup.
Yeah, definitely. I guess pitch will play toss and the pitch will play an important role. And one good thing is that there is a chance of return of fans. So that might also boost up India because having fans in the stadium is a morale boost. So Akash, what do you have to say about it?
Exactly. The fans are the true heart of the game, and the Indians will be definitely will be boosted up by having the fans around them, cheering up for them, and I think that will create a bit of difference for the England side as well.
Yeah, definitely. And I in the first test match today we saw like how Anderson opened up Indian batting. Like in his first over of the day, he took two crucial wickets, and he just opened up the game. And like at this age, he's still bowling like he's a youngster, and he
And he's
knows the
38 and he
reverse
has
smash.
taken 600 plus wickets.
Yes.
That's
That's a big
remarkable.
achievement. That's a big thing.
Very big achievement.
So yeah, so what is your take on it, Akash? Like how do you see him performing in the second test match? Will he will
Exactly.
he be
He's got a lot of experience at his back. Uh, Whether it's not about whether he performs at all countries. He doesn't perform only in England where the ball swings a bit over, but he performs in every stage, in every venue. Uh, and when in today's when the ball was reversing a bit, he literally opened up and what to deliveries to Subman Gill and Ajinkya Rahane. I mean, pitch of a delivery at the right length at the right line, and a, and the ball. It looked great to see that ball just coming into those batsmen. It's impeccable bowling
And
from
doing
Henderson.
that with the old ball, like it was like
Yeah, yeah.
what do you say? That is the main
And
point there
only,
because like doing
yeah,
that with the old ball, like and he swung it in. Rahane was baffled by his wicket. Like, how did he lose that wicket?
only
So you have to give it to
experienced
him.
players
Yeah,
like, yeah,
experience,
experienced
definitely.
players like Anderson can do that. So like
There is
coming to
another
the,
there is another interesting stat about Jimmy Anderson is that after when he has entered in 30s in his age, he has taken around 300 wickets after that 30. So you
yes,
can see
yes,
how
yes.
consistent he is.
How, yeah,
He's
yeah.
like a fine wine in
How
cricket.
lethal he has been.
Yeah, exactly.
He's a Cristiano Ronaldo cricketer.
Yeah,
With age, he's getting
Yeah,
better.
exactly.
better.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's getting better and
He's
better.
scoring more after 30. Like he also like we had a start there for Ronaldo also who has scored more goals after 30. So we like
Yeah, we
Yeah,
they
recently
both
saw
are in the
another
same.
player
I don't
doing
know
that.
what they're.
Nowadays, 30s is quite a good age to peak.
Yeah,
Want to see Anderson
even
perform like
Zlatan is there.
this?
So yeah, this category is increasing. Yeah, this rising day by day. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So coming to Indian team selection, like Heinz, do you think Kuldeep Yadav will be back in the team? Like Nadeem might go out and Kuldeep coming in.
Yeah, yeah, there's the only possible change that Nadeem goes out and Kuldeep comes in because the left-arm Chinaman is something which will give India an extra edge in the spinning department. Otherwise, the batting lineup quite good. If maybe the thing is that there might be question marks over Rohit's consistency on how he's doing. But then again, you can't leave out a name
Yeah,
like Rohit Sharma
he's
out
a
of the
big
lineup.
player. He's a big player.
Exactly.
He knows
Yeah,
when to perform because big players need just one innings to perform. So he'll
exactly.
definitely be good, I guess. There's not much to talk on this because he's a very big player.
Exactly.
He knows how to come back in form. Like
Yeah.
like going towards the Indian comeback. So how do you think that India would take this game? Because after conceding so many runs, conceding so many no balls, like around 30 to
Yeah,
35 no balls in the whole game. That is a lot of like
yes.
35 runs is too much runs to be given in extras, just in no balls. And
Uh,
like, how do you think that Indian team is gonna plan the comeback?
planning the comeback actually. No one thought of like them coming back in that Australian series. They surprised us. And obviously, us Indians are like expecting another surprise, and it's all at stake, man. Like you have to go to that World Series Test Championship
World Test
with New
Championship,
Zealand,
yeah.
and you'll give it all. Yeah, and India will give it us its all. I know we can expect a comeback, and we can dearly expect a comeback because like this team has gotten them, and they've shown it. So I think so. It will be better that the bowling and the batting does the like chirping and all in the next test match, and I expect them to make a good comeback with experienced players like Ashwin. Like I've got a start here
Yeah.
that Ashwin is the first spinner in 100 years of Test cricket to earn the distinction of
To
dismissing
take
a batsman of the
batsman
very
on the
first ball
first ball.
of an
Yeah,
innings. Yeah,
yeah.
but so he has become the like first spinner in 100 years. So
Yes.
and plus he has taken 9 wickets in the last Test match, and he's there. He's like consistent. He's consistently performing from Australia series. Even in his batting, he has improved a lot.
He's
Even
improved. Yes.
so, we can expect a comeback. And plus, like that, he told that Kuldeep Yadav coming in for Shehbaz Nadeem. That's a very needed change, you'd say. And I expect India to come back and to like prove us right.
When India can
Yes.
come back from
Let's
36 all out, this is our home ground, so we can expect this
expect. Yeah,
comeback.
yeah.
Yeah.
Come back.
Plus the fans. Plus
Yes.
the
Yes.
fans
Yes.
are back. So that will be a huge boost. Like fans will be a huge boost in Chennai coming back. So, yes,
Definitely. Let's
fingers
let's
crossed.
hope that India comes back convincingly and they perform in the best way because at home it is after 2018 it is our first loss, so it's a big thing, and I know that the team will come back. We have the batting, we have the bowling strength, we have the fielding strength. It's just that there are bits and pieces of areas that we need to cover, and I am sure that the team will cover that. So, like signing off, let's hope that India wins and fans give a lot of boost to the team. And please, guys, keep watching the Sports Spot videos and keep following us. Like, share, and comment, and also subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you everyone. Thanks everyone for joining me in this chat.